say, this is Lily Shaunala from CMTV. This is calling your partner. If your partner is loyal, I'm in the streets and there's relationships. So follow me as I'm about to tell you.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho angithi sinase senzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you're stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
How's it? Sure. Can I sit with you? Sit. Sure. My name is Lily Shaunala from CMTV. I test the relationships. And then if your partner is loyal, I give you 1,000 rand. Yeah. So if you are keen, we can test your relationship. And then you get the 1,000 rand same time. Let's do it. Yeah.
So I believe you are in a relationship, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Funeb.
Funeb. Okay.
I-girlfriend yakho ukwazi esimfuneko or knows another name.
Get message to Funeb.
Okay.
Simple.
Okay. How long have you been there?
He's together for 3 years.
3 years. Are you happy in your relationship?
It's past.
You're happy.
Alright.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you to type her numbers.
And then after that, some phone. Thank you. So some phone and then I'm gonna ask you a few questions. She's loyal, ne?
Yeah, definitely.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. What's your temper? Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hi, how are you doing? I'm good. You are speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm here with your partner. We're doing a show where we test the relationships. So we want to ask you a few questions to test if you are loyal. If you are loyal, your partner is going to win 1,000 rand.
Okay.
Yes. How long have you been together with your partner?
It's 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah, bo.
Okay. Is your partner light skinned or dark skinned?
It's dark.
Okay. When last did you see him?
Benginayizolo nje.
Okay. Igama lakhe ubani?
Uthemba.
uThemba. Yena uyamthemba?
Kakhulu yazi.
Mfethu uyamuzwa uthandana noThemba.
Yeah, yethuthemba igama lami. Igama lami yethuthemba, wena uthola lapho uThemba manje. Ubani uThemba?
UThemba umuntu wakhe.
Khuluma nomfuneko, ubani uThemba manje?
uThemba umuntu wakhe.
Hayibo. Why ninenza kanje la kanti?
Bakufunele enye inamba wena social na kwaThemba, ubani uThemba?
Uthi umuntu wakhe for 8 months.
Sithola for 3 years, umtshela nge8 months uThemba, ubani uThemba?
Hayibo. Askisi baby mina bengazi.
Hayi. Prank kanjani? So wena bakufunela abantu rana ubhizi utshela abantu. Hawa. Ayikho lento yenzayo.
Uthi yakho bayishumisha condom na. Babuthi basebenzise condom.
Ngithi prank azangayithatha serious.
Umthole yephi yena lo muntu lo? Umthole yephi lo muntu lo?
Nobutsha or bashimisha condom na.
Sizokhuluma man.
Lana abanye abantu bagqoka ama-condom la ulale nami ngikhulile. Wena uzongikhulisa wena.
Ask if they are using it.
Yeah, sebenzisa condom. Sebenzisa condom.
baby.
Uthi please yenzani? Please in.
Bengithi prank baby bengazi ukuthi
Uphenga igama lami. Hey, ask if they're using condom. Are you using condom nalo muntu lo? Uzongigulisa phela kanje.
yo
Are you using it, yes or no?
nangazi ke. Ngithi buye endlini sizokhuluma.
Buyela kuThemba lo 8 months ubani uThemba?
Baby I love you. Khohle uThemba.
Uthi bese isikondom. Awuhlobulela. Hey. Awuhlobulela.
Please umuntu wami ngiyacela hle.
My sister,
3 years yonke. 3 years yonke cabanga uThemba kuqala. 3 years yonke. Bese ngondweni uThemba.
Suthi, please.
Ngazongishela isikhathi. Ngazongishela isikhathi. Ngazongishela isikhathi.
This girl is playing with your time.
Imali lo uzoyisenda nini?
3 years yonke. Wangabuzi lo Themba 8 months.
Le mali uzosenza uzoyisenda nini?
Buza uThemba.
Abakathemba le bengithi prank umuntu wami.
3 years yonke. Babekufonela abantu wena umuntu wakho oqala ufika engondweni uThemba. Ngokuxabanisayo. Esebenzisa condom nalo muntu lo. Uzongigulisa wena. Uzongigulisa wena.
Ngoba mina nawe uyazi ukuthi asisebenzisa icondom.
Wakuphi lo Themba lo?
Baby khohle ngabothemba manje uza kimi umuntu wakho.
Like ish.
Bye-bye, my sister. Bye-bye. My brother, how are you feeling?
Disappointed. Ngiyinga.
So, uThemba amwazi wena.
Angimazi uThemba. 3 years.
Wena nalo girl ngiyisebenzisa condom.
No, I trust her. It's been 3 years. It's more than a year. Go together, go to clinic, we check.
So it means Themba is a side nigga. Do you get me? It's a side nigga.
When? How?
I can say it. I can say about guy.
No.
How are you feeling about all this?
How do you think I feel?
I think you're heartbroken.
No, I'm angry. Forget heartbroken, I'm angry. No, I'm gonna connect. No, I'm gonna go fetch her internet. I need to go see her now.
And then what are you gonna do when you get there?
She'll find out.
Do you wanna beat her?
No, not violent. But
But what do you mean find out? What are you gonna do?
No, I'm gonna go talk to her. I wanna see Themba. I wanna go and see Themba today. I wanna see who is this Themba person. When they call, the first person you think of is Themba.
Are you gonna beat up Themba?
No. I don't know who I'm gonna beat, but someone today is gonna know me.
Come on, bro.
No. 3 years young. 3 years with this person. Then she tells me go to Themba 8 months. No.
Man, Mutora is hard.
No.
Themba took everything from me.
The pre-rent. I put it to the clinics. I check up on her every day. Then she thinks of Themba, the first person.
You pay her rent.
I pay her rent.
So when I found you here, who are you waiting for?
I came here to take a walk, take a break, clear my mind.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I leave you in peace now? So I'm leaving you.
Anymore.
I'm leaving you with troubles.
Bro.
Sorry for it. Spiwe. Hey, Spiwe, what do you say to that guy? What do you advise him? What would you advise him?
It's shy.
It's shy. Guys, this is Lily Shaunala on the next episode. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now. Wena ungangihlanyisa, wena don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Awulokungamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mean?
Asikaqedi, washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?